This tiny bird got stuck inside a table leg, and when he was finally pulled out, he literally forgot how to bird. Poor little Sparrow was completely exhausted, just sitting there blinking like his brain needed a reboot. So he got tiny snacks, a warm nap, and a safe place to rest. A few hours later, this little dude decided his rescuer was his mom. He followed her everywhere, begged her for food, and even tried joining a family of parrots like, "Yep, I'm one of you now. Sir, you are a sparrow." And when it was finally time to let him fly free, he looked at the sky, looked back at her, and basically said, "Nah, I live here now."